Hi everyone, I am Dev Salakshi from CSE Department, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, CS 3452, Theory of Computation, Unit 3, Context-Free Grammar and Pushdown Automata. Topic is Languages of Pushdown Automata. Objectives: to understand the languages accepted by Pushdown Automata, to analyze the problems to check for the acceptability for a language. Languages of Pushdown Automata. A language can be accepted by Pushdown Automata using two approaches: acceptance by final state and acceptance by empty stack. Now we will see one by one. First thing, we are going to see acceptance by final state. The Pushdown Automata accepts its input by consuming it and then enters in the final state. The formal definition is: let P is equal to Q sigma tab do Q0 Z0 and F be a PDA. Then the language L of P is called the language accepted by final state. The language L of P can be defined as L of P is equal to W Q0, W, Z0 tends to P epsilon alpha. That is, the PDA P reads the entire input W and enters in a final state P. Next, we will see acceptance by empty stack. On reading the input string from initial configuration for some PDA, the stack of PDA gets empty. The formal definition is: let P is equal to Q sigma tab do Q0 Z0 F be a PDA. Then the language accepted by empty stack. N of P is defined as N of P is equal to W Q0 W Z0 tends to Q epsilon epsilon. Next, we can see equivalence by finite state and empty stack. If L is equal to N of P1 for some PDA P1, then there is a PDA P2 such that L is equal to L of P2. That means the language accepted by empty stack PDA will also be accepted by final state PDA. There is a language L is equal to L of P1 for some PDA P1. Then there is a PDA P2 such that L is equal to N of P2. That means language accepted by final state PDA is also acceptable by empty stack PDA. Now we will see one example for that. Construct a PDA that accepts the language L over 0, 1 by empty stack, which accepts all the string of zeros and ones in which a number of ones or twice of the numbers of ones. Solution: there are two parts of designing this PDA. If 1 comes before any zeros, if 0 comes before any ones. So do of Q0, 1, Z is equal to Q0, 11, Z. Here Z represents that stack is empty. Do Q0, 0, 1 is equal to Q0, epsilon. Being in Q1, if 1 is encountered, then pop 0. Being in Q1, if 0 read, then simply read that second 0 and move ahead. The do will be do Q0, 0, Z is equal to Q1, 0 Z. Do Q1, 0, 0 is equal to Q1, 0. Do Q1, 0, Z is equal to Q0, epsilon. Indicate that 1, 0 and 1 is already read. So simply read the second 0. Do Q1, 1, 0 equal to Q1, epsilon. Now summarize the complete PDA for given L is: do Q0, 1, Z is equal to Q0, 1, Z. Do Q0, 0, 1 is equal to Q1, epsilon. Do Q0, 0, Z is equal to Q1, 0 Z. Do Q1, 0, 0 is equal to Q1, 0. Do Q1, 0, Z is equal to Q0, epsilon. Do Q0, epsilon is equal to Q0, epsilon. Then this is the accept state. Thank you.